Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Xampp Creations. Today you will learn how to install and set up WordPress using Xampp. Before proceeding, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to watch our latest videos. Let's start. First of all, we must have installed Xampp or WAMP server in our PC so that we can set up WordPress locally in our computer. You can install Xampp from its official website. Open your browser, write Xampp and then click the link here. Here are 3 versions. You can download any of these. I prefer latest one, so I will go with it. After downloading, open this setup as an administrator and then install it. I already have Xampp installed, so I will skip this step. Now we will download WordPress. Open the browser and type wordpress.org and press enter. Now scroll down the page, click on Get WordPress. Scroll down and then download the latest version. As you can see that WordPress has been downloaded. Now copy this folder, open local disk C, Xampp, h3doc and then paste the folder here. Now unzip this folder. You can see all the necessary files here. Now rename the folder according to your wish. Now we will create a database. For that, open phpMyAdmin through Xampp. The database name should be exactly same as the WordPress folder name. Copy folder name and then paste here and then create database. Now we will set up WordPress. For that, write localhost / folder name in the URL bar and press enter. Select the language whatever you want and then press continue. Click on let's go. Now write database name here. Username should be root and the password should be empty. Let the remaining fields as it is. Press submit. Then press run the installation. Write site title here according to your website. Choose username and password according to your wish. Enter email here and then press enter. The setup has been completed. Enter your information and here we go. WordPress is ready. You can design your website. That's it for today. If this video helped you, then please like and share it with your friends. Thank you.